Hi everyone, this is Radhika from The Whimsical Life. Decorating any part of your home for fall is all about creating a space that's comfortable, cozy, and warm, and that's especially true of bedrooms. I'm here to give you a tour and share some simple ideas to give your bedroom an autumn refresh in a whimsical way. Let's get started. I have added some tiny elements like this beautiful artwork by True Matter, a cute little pumpkin, and a candle by the bedside table. Nothing helps to create a soft, cozy environment like throw pillows. They give your space that warm and snuggly feeling. A seasonal throw blanket in classic autumn tones help to round off the look. A reading nook doesn't require a lot of space, and an ideal spot for one is that random empty corner of your bedroom. I have created my cozy reading corner here. A little snippet to how to make your bed the easiest way. It's the season for staying in, so hope these tips get you in the mood for staying home while amping up the cozy. Happy fall you all!